Hey guys, Adam here. Today I'm going to show you how to add PayPal to Shopify store. First of all you have to do is log in to your Shopify store with your admin account. From here you will see the settings on the bottom left corner. Click on settings, a new page will open. From here you have to find payment section. Click on payments. From here you have to find the section called additional payment methods. And here you will see PayPal as a payment provider. But keep in mind that PayPal will only show in the additional payment methods if your address in the Shopify store is located in the USA. If you are outside USA, for example in Asia, then PayPal won't be shown in this additional payment method section. So you have to make sure to change your address to US or in the country where PayPal is supported. After that we have to click on activate PayPal, and then Shopify will verify for some authorization. It will authorize use PayPal as a checkout to process payment, issue a refund for a specific transaction, process everything else. You can read it, and all you have to do is click on agree and connect, and then you'll be shown a text called thanks for signing up. You now have an account and you've successfully integrated PayPal with Shopify. You have to click on go back to Shopify to recheck if it's connected or not. Now as you can see in the additional payment methods, our provider PayPal status is now showing active, and that's how to add PayPal to Shopify store. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.